Hello, everyone. It's Tammy Meeks, and I think I know most of you from my previous courses, but there were a couple of new names on the list. So, a little bit about myself. I've been a nurse for over 25 years, actually, over 30 years. I was a flight nurse for 25 years, and most recently, I've been a nurse manager of a 16-bed intensive care unit and an 8-bed progressive care unit. Um, as one can imagine, there have been a lot of challenges as a manager. Part of it is that there was no previous training for a manager position, and a lot of this stuff we don't learn in nursing school. So there's been a huge learning curve for me, and quite honestly, at this point, taking care of a critical patient in a helicopter is much easier than being a nurse manager. But as I've gone through the courses of this program, I have learned um, an immense amount of information that has been helpful in my journey as a nurse manager. One of the big topics is it's always employee satisfaction, engagement. And so, what I would like to propose my topic to be for this semester revolves around a healthy work environment or a supportive work environment. I touched on that with my proposal last course, but it was specifically related to staffing models. Staffing ratio, staffing acuity, it's an issue nationwide, and that is a part of the satisfaction or supportive, healthy work environment, but there are also a lot of other components. But one of the main things that I want to be able to do within my organization is to make sure I am providing a healthy, supportive work environment. And that includes looking at my management styles, looking at staffing, looking at communication, and really seeing what things can be done to decrease burnout, increase retention, and employee engagement. So that's kind of what I'm hope to be working on over this course. What I would like to get out of the course is some more solid knowledge in regards to research and how to go about looking at the research. I'm pretty comfortable probably with the quantitative research. It's the qualitative that's a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I'm more of a concrete type thinker, so I tend to like to go off of data, specific data. So I do need to get more comfortable with research in general, but also with ways to get staff involved in the research and also to get to help move processes forward based on evidence-based information or evidence-based practice. So I'm very excited about that. We do have an area practice council within my unit, and they do look into a lot of evidence-based practice. So in order for me to be kind of their champion and support behind that, I think this class will give me a lot more insight into research. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm sure I'll be chatting with most of you throughout the course, but good luck to everyone in the course, and I'll be talking to you soon. Thanks.